Now let's learn how to install a new theme. In the last lesson, I talked about how we already have a theme pre-installed when we install WordPress, the 2017 theme. There's lots of themes out there, thousands upon thousands of themes, some paid, some free. A lot of themes you can find by searching for WordPress themes on Google and finding different sites. One place that I highly recommend is the Envato marketplace called ThemeForest.net. This is where I've purchased themes in the past, and you can see if you go to themeforest.net, just thousands upon thousands of themes that you can look through, and they come with all kind of variety for every purpose. So a theme is basically the look and feel of your website, and you can find specific themes related for corporate, creative, e-commerce, education, mobile, and these come with different tools, perhaps a membership option, or perhaps a different type of portfolio option, or different types of sliders, or different types of home pages. So you might want to check out these ones if you're interested in purchasing. The one that I've used a lot for my other websites like videoschoolonline.com is the Avada theme. $60, but it's very customizable. And when you go to any of these themes on ThemeForest, you can actually demo them to see what they look like. So you can see that this is a sample template. With Avada, they come with all kinds of sample templates over here for photographers, for any kind of people. So there's lots of customizability with all of these themes. But there are also very good free themes. So to change your theme, go to Appearance and then Themes. And this takes you to your theme menu. You can see that the active theme right here is the 2017 theme. You also have a 2015 or a 2016 theme already pre-installed. To add a new theme, click this Add New Theme button. It will take you to a page of WordPress themes that you can search through. Now you can just scroll through and preview them by clicking the preview button, or you can sort by popular, latest, or if you have a specific idea or something you're looking for or a specific theme you've heard about, you can search through the themes this way. So say, let's just anyone at random. Say we end up liking this Fit Club theme because maybe we're starting an exercise fitness theme. Well, first we'd probably want to preview it by clicking preview. You can see what it kind of looks like and say, okay, that looks great. You can either click install from here, from the preview page, or click install from this page here. So with these themes that are hosted by wordpress.org, it's basically already on here. So you just install it quick and easy like so. Once it's installed, you have to activate it. So you can activate it by clicking here, or if we go back to our themes page, you'll see that it's now one of our theme options. So if I click activate, and then if I go to my home page and I refresh, you'll notice that I have a whole new theme installed, a different look. So that's how you install a theme from wordpress.org. Say we got a theme from themeforest.net and we want to install it. Well, when you purchase it, you can see here how I've purchased different things from Envato, including WordPress themes and songs from Audio Jungle. You want to download the installable WordPress file only. It's probably a good idea to download all of the files and documentation, and then within that folder that you download, you'll have the WordPress file. And then under your themes, you want to click Upload. So Appearance, Themes, and then Upload. Click Upload Theme, and then you want to choose the file. So it should be in a zip file. So I'm going to go to my desktop, go to my installable theme file that I downloaded, and install that theme. Click Install Now. Now this might take a few minutes depending on how big the file is and how fast your internet is. Once it's installed, you'll get to a page like this where you can preview it, activate it, or return to the themes pages. If we go back to the themes page, you'll see that Avada is now an option. So I can click Activate. And now if I go back to my homepage and refresh, it's going to appear like the Avada theme. One thing that might happen if you install a theme from ThemeForest or any other premium theme, you might need specific plugins required for that theme to work properly. For example, with the Avada theme, we need a plugin called Fusion Core and Fusion Builder. You'll typically get a notification as soon as you install a theme saying you need this. So you can see here on the left-hand side of our menu now, I have the Avada theme that comes with some menus, and it has this big installation required message. So what I would do is just go to manage plugins, and then all of these plugins are required. And so I'm going to have to install the ones that are highlighted as required just by clicking the install button here. Now, since you're probably not going to be using the Avada theme, I'm not going to do that. But there's one other thing I want to show you about themes. Since you probably aren't using Avada, I'm going to go ahead and delete my Avada theme. Now, to delete it, one thing I need to do is to deactivate it. So to deactivate it, I'm just going to actually activate a different theme. So I'll just activate this 2017 theme. Now, to delete this theme or any of the other themes that I've installed, I can click on the theme itself to view the theme details, then click the delete buttons, and then confirm by hitting the OK button. So the challenge for you is now to install and activate the template we'll be working with throughout this course. Of course, if you want to follow along with what I'm doing in each lesson. The template is called Sparkling, and you can find it right here through the WordPress themes. So I'll let you go ahead, find it, and install it, and then activate it. And when you do, your website should look something like this with your own name up here. And in the next lessons, we're going to start diving in, customizing the content, designing our website, adding pages, adding blog articles, and all sorts of other cool things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lessons. Probably the first thing you want to do is to create your home page or set what your home page should be. Right now, and whenever you start a new WordPress site, the homepage of your site is actually the blog article page where a list of all of your recent posts appears. When you install WordPress, what happens is a sample blog article and a sample page are added to your site automatically. So this post right here, when you go to your website, is actually just a sample post that they created. We'll want to delete that and write our own content later. This is also the homepage of your website. So to create a separate standalone page, we're going to create a new page and call it Home. So go from your dashboard to Pages, Add New. Under Title, just type in Home. This doesn't really matter for this page because what happens when you type in the title of a page is this permalink appears. This is the link to get to this page. Now, right now, the link says ebnerdesigns.com/home. We don't want people to have to type in ebner.com designs/home to get to the home page. But don't worry, we're going to set the home page of the site, ebnerdesigns.com, to go directly to this page. So you see, this is the page editor, and we're going to be designing a page in the next lesson. But right now, I just want to show you that in the main part of this editor, you have a text editor with different text options up here. This is where you're going to be designing your page. On the right side, you have different options for publishing, such as publishing now. You can save a draft of your page. You can also preview it. And then down below, here are options for making your page out of a certain template. And some themes come with multiple templates. For example, a theme might come with a contact page template or a portfolio page template. We'll talk about all of these things in a future lesson, but first, right now, let's just publish this page. Once you publish a page, you can view it by clicking the View Page button up here or clicking the permalink right here. I'm going to Control click to open it up in a new tab. And now this is what this page looks like. So now this isn't our home page. If I go to ebnerdesigns.com, what happens is I go back to that page where the blog articles were. So to set that as my home page, what I'm going to do is go under Settings and then Reading. Here you see that your front page displays option is your latest posts. I want to make it a static page. So if I set the static page, front page to home, then what happens is I have to set the post page to another page. So what we should do is under Pages, select Add New, and I'm going to Control click that again, or Command click if you're on a Mac, and then type in blog or articles or posts and rename this page to whatever you want your post page to be and select publish. That page isn't going to show up here on the post page until we say save pages And then now that we've refreshed this page, it sees all of the published pages. So I can now select our post page to be the blog. Or you don't need a post page if you're not going to be adding posts to your website, and click save. Now, if we go back to our site and we go to ebnerdesigns.com and refresh, we're at the home page now. And if we click on this icon right here, which is our site title, which we'll be changing in the next lesson, we go to the home page, which is that home page that we set up. To get to the blog article, you could go to ebnerdesigns.com/blog, or what we'll do in a future lesson is add a menu that has links directly to this page. So that's how you add a new page, and that's also how you set your home page to a separate static page. Thanks for watching, and in the next lessons, we'll be changing the site title and also editing the page to make it look really awesome.